Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today is February 23rd, and I just want to do a quick video on Alibaba. So, Alibaba reported their earnings today. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So, let's take a look at the chart. So, Baba was down 0.65%. And I've been talking about Alibaba for quite some time now. And I did mention that it might fill this gap, and it finally did today. So Alibaba gapped up beginning of January, and it rallied to a high of 120, and it couldn't break this very strong resistance. And I mentioned the gap here is because in the past it has filled gaps. So back in May, back in June, back in August, and now, back in January, it finally filled the gap. And the earnings weren't that bad at all. Let's take a look. Alibaba shares turned south despite better than expected earnings. So it actually rallied up pre-market over $100. And what do you know? It drops. Every single time market opens, Alibaba just sells off. So let's take a look at what happened. It says Alibaba shares turned south Thursday, dipping almost 2% as investors turn their back on the Chinese internet following its better than expected fourth quarter earnings report. Prior to the start of trading, Alibaba reported earnings excluding one-time items of $279 share on revenue of $35.92 billion, which topped analyst expectations for the company to earn $2.44 a share on $35.8 billion sales. In the statement announcing Alibaba's results, the CEOs sounded diplomatic about the company's performance and the issues that have been affecting Alibaba's business for some time now. He stated, "We delivered a solid quarter despite softer demand, supply chain, and logistics disruptions due to impact of changes in COVID-19 measures." Going forward, Zhang said that Alibaba expects to see continued recovery in consumer sentiment and economic activity. Among its different business areas, Alibaba said China commerce totaled $10.8 billion, while Alibaba Cloud sales came in at $3.9 billion. Truist Securities analysts said that Alibaba's results show strong execution during a tough economic environment and bodies well. And it's unfortunate that Alibaba sold off today, couldn't recover, while the market actually turned red to green. So now it's been selling off. We can see it's been selling off for quite some time since January, hitting a high of 120, and it just couldn't break that resistance, unfortunately. Now I think it's actually a pretty decent buy below $100. So, and the RSI has gone from overbought to now oversold. So I think it's a good time to slowly buy into Alibaba. So let me know your thoughts. Are you buying more shares? And what do you think tomorrow's price will be?